Welcome. Today we are diving into Git security best practices. This is a critical topic for every developer, focusing on how to protect your code repositories and, more importantly, your secrets and credentials from falling into the wrong hands. First, let's establish why this is so important. Your source code is your blueprint. If it's compromised, you risk severe data leaks, loss of intellectual property, and even credential theft. Maintaining security ensures the integrity of your code and the safety of your users. The number one rule is to never, ever hardcode credentials. Do not put passwords, API keys, or secret tokens directly into your variables. Once you push this code, it is in the history forever, accessible to anyone who clones the repository or uses scanning bots. Your first line of defense is the gitignore file. This file tells Git exactly what to ignore. You should always include dependencies like node modules, build artifacts, system files, and most importantly, your environment configuration files. Instead of hardcoding, use environment variables. Store your secrets in a .env file which stays on your local machine and is ignored by Git. Your application code then reads these values dynamically. This keeps your secrets safe and local. When interacting with remote repositories, you have two main options: HTTPS or SSH. We strongly recommend setting up SSH keys. It uses a cryptographic key pair for identity verification, which is more secure and convenient than typing a username and password repeatedly. Always enable two-factor authentication on your hosting platforms like GitHub or GitLab. Even if an attacker guesses your password, they cannot access your account without the second factor from your phone or hardware key. Protect your main branches. Configure branch protection rules to prevent force pushes, which can rewrite history. Require pull requests and code reviews so that no code enters the main branch without approval. Take it a step further with signed commits using GPG keys. This verifies your identity, proving that the code actually came from you and not someone impersonating your email address. It adds a verified badge to your commits. Humans make mistakes, so use automated tools. Secret scanning tools like GitLeaks or TruffleHog can scan your entire history and new commits to catch accidental secret leaks before they become a problem. Finally, conduct regular audits. Review who has access to your repositories, revoke keys for former employees, and check your audit logs for any suspicious activity or setting changes. To wrap up, here is your checklist. Use gitignore, keep secrets out of code, use environment variables, set up SSH and 2FA, protect your branches, sign your commits, and automate scanning. Follow these steps to keep your Git workflow secure. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.